right, so what we have here today is solar floodlights, but each one is 100 watts, pretty powerful, and 5,000 lumens, comes with remote control, all the brackets, pretty long cable. I'll show you all those things right now. All right, so today I bring you this cool floodlight. Each one is 100 watts. Now there are 5,000 lumens, so it's super bright. One of the things I like it is the power core. They are 5 meters, so we're looking at about 10 feet each, so you can put this in each side. All right, now they are IP66, so no problem if it rains or snow. That's meant to be outside for garden, pool, or backyard, whatever you want to light up. Now we have the solar panel. So the solar panel is 28 watts, 6 volts to charge the light. Now it comes with the remote control, with even includes the batteries, 2 AAA batteries. Now we have the brackets for mounting, instructions, and all the accessories to mount. So in reality, there is no need to go to a hardware store because you get everything. Now on the remote control, right here, and I'll change camera so we can see this real nice. On the remote control, allow me to go turn on, off, right, auto. In reality, the way you will set it is auto. You press auto here, okay, just one of the lights there. We press auto, and what's going to happen now is when it gets dark, dusk to dawn comes on, and it should last about 12 hours, okay? So, and then when it's daytime, automatic will turn off. But you can maybe want only 3 hours, or maybe you want 5 hours, so you hit 3 hours. All right, and then now the light, when it gets dark, and it will stay down for 3 hours and then turns off into the next day, and you get 3, 5, and 8 auto. We can force if we want. So if I press on, as you see, it's on. Okay, pretty powerful. Let me turn it off, and then we can control the brightness. So this is about 50%, so we can do, or we can actually go and bring the brightness down. Right, and in auto. Let's bring in the full camera so we can see this. It's gonna be bright, so I'm gonna turn it on, and as you see, it's super bright. I can go 50%. That's about 50%, and I can bring this super low. Now it looks like it's blinking because the camera catch that, but in reality, this thing is not blinking at all. All right, so it's super powerful. Let me bring this all the way, and now you have a pretty powerful light. And I'm gonna go and let's see, we can point this the other way around, okay? And now we can really see how powerful this light is. Another thing too, what I like about this light, and let me turn it off, is what you get. And we're gonna go this way, we can see it. Now if we look in here, it's nice, 25 and 75, 100, and this, I see the little signal there is charging, and this is actually to activate the remote control. So when you have those lights, you know, up on the roof, you can really see that. By the way, if you look in the instructions, you should set up pretty high. You should have 8 feet, 10, or even higher, so that covers a big area. These lights are meant to set it as high as possible, so that will cover a big area, right? And this, you can set now this somewhere in the roof. Remember, always it's nice to get, I said, minimum 6, but if you can get 8 hours of sun direct to the solar panel, that guarantees you always have these units always charged for you. Pretty cool. I like this LED. Nice way, visual cue, right? In IP67, right? Very important. No problem if it rains or snow. They are made to be outside. All right. So I'll see you next time. Bye.